Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to create a private server and all of the stuff that you need to create a private server. If you want to make a server like this, you need to have certain things. So if you see a regular server, if you press the listed servers, see a regular server. It says a number on the side, so like all these are 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, and then probably low down you get 1s and 2s. This one has a 0. So I will show you that later in the video. But what you want to do, how to create a private server, is what you want to do is you want to press in this bit. So you want to go up to menu here. Then you press create a server. You create a server name and you so you create a name, so I'm just doing a random name. Then if you press create, you pay 25 Robux. So yeah, create a name, and then 50 Robux. Sorry, 50 Robux. Once you buy this item, then it'll pop you up in your own servers. Then you're gonna click into that server. And then here is your very own server. There will be 0 active people, and it's all up to you. So with you can make it listed or unlisted. It's unlisted means that no one will be able to join. Listed means people will be able to join. And then you can change your server name to whatever you want. You can keep changing it and keep changing it. You create a custom code. And then now I'm going to show you stuff of the number at the start of the videos and how it's useful right now. So if I click into own servers, one person active, I bought all these packs. So what you want to do if you want to have a pack, you want to first leave the server, and it has to be unlisted. There can't be anybody on the server. If you want to do this, and then what you want to do is you want to click into own servers once again. And then there'll usually be a green button that's there that says upgrade packs. And I've got all the packs, but you don't have to get all the packs. Now I'll be showing you what the packs do and how they're good for your server, and it's growing. So first up, we've just got into a server. First up, we've got the premium pack. So name visibility, visible. That means that you can't see people's names and stuff. So I'm going to turn that invisible actually. Sheriff lights. So that means that all the lights will be all reds. Police will be all red and blue. Length of day, do it to whatever you really want. That's how fast the day will be going. Game restrictions. I'll show you what game restrictions does. Let's go. So game restrictions is a really, really important one for, like, for example, like border RP and stuff. Game restrictions means that you can place a lot of cones. And it also means that you can't just phase through them. So like if I were to turn this off, that means that they would despawn over time, and yeah, so like I can't place any more cones because I've got a lot of cones. So I'm just gonna pick up all of them. Maybe no, I'll just reset. Yeah, so game restrictions will put a barrier for cones so you can let me see if I've enabled it. So yeah, I'll put game restrictions on it. Yes. So that means you can phase through them like the regular match. And they'll despawn over time. The next pack that, this pack you obviously don't have to get unless you want for like RP. Also you can change the gun damage, player location map, placeable object collisions. Next is the Pro Server pack. The Pro Server pack is going to give you a server icon. So like my server icon, I'll go into own servers. And then that picture there is my server icon. And it'll be very good for people to visit and stuff. Then custom invite code would be good. So my custom invite code is I love ERLC, all capitals, if you guys want to join. And then server co-owners. So this one's also a really, really big one. So at the moment I've got all co-owners and stuff. This custom liveries pack comes with one thing, and that's custom liveries. This one is really important though for the server to grow even more. So custom liveries, you can click into it, and then of course you actually can change the vehicles. So for example, like I could state police, FBI police, and then if I were to go to police team, you can in fact equip them. So for that, these, and yeah, you can just equip that. So that's also a really, really good pack. I'm not gonna lie, that's a really, really good pack. And then roleplay pack comes with custom fire helmets. Custom fire helmets, let's get into custom fire helmets. So that means that, of course, if you were to equip a helmet and CBA, you can of course do all this, but then you can change the color of the helmet. So for example, white, yellow, red. You get the point. Then we got arrest civilians, so that's like for more roleplay. So like even if they're not wanted, you can still arrest them. Combat mode, tow any vehicle, so that means DOT can tow any vehicle. Pit vehicles, that means pitting any vehicles. Friendly fire, so that means police officers can shoot other police officers. Now the next one is custom uniforms. This one's also going to be really important for your server to grow. So that will come with, of course, custom uniforms. So like for fire brigade, biker bunker, real good for roleplay. This is just going to increase the odds of roleplay. Fire chief, you get it, and you can do it with every single team. The next one is a really, really big one as well. A really big part to help yourself grow. So I would recommend getting the roleplay pack because it's one of the biggest packs. Mod help command. That's a really, really big one. Because if you were to do, let me show you an example. Exclamation mark mod. Then thing that moderators can see, you can teleport to them and stuff. So that's a really big part of it. Ban vehicles, that's more for like border RP and stuff. Ban guns, certain guns you can have. Major server calls, so that means that like also really good for roleplay. So like a plane is crashed. Yep. And then custom team information. That means that change the name of the roles, I guess you could say. That's basically all of the basic information. Also, I would recommend, if you're having like a pretty packed server, I would recommend having sheriff only for modern admin, and you know, like the admin stuff. And if you need to know any commands, type in a simple command, CMDS. Then you can see anything as an owner. These are the commands that you can do. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.